Tired of fumbling with cables every time you get in your car? The 2026 upgraded wireless CarPlay adapter offers a simple solution. Turn your factory-installed wired CarPlay system into a wireless powerhouse. Compatible with iPhone 6 and newer iOS devices, this adapter works with 98% of original CarPlay-equipped vehicles, making it a reliable upgrade for most drivers. Setting up the adapter couldn't be easier. Just plug it into your car's USB port, pair it via Bluetooth, and you're ready to enjoy wireless CarPlay instantly. Thanks to its Auto Reconnect feature, it links to your phone automatically every time you start the car, no extra steps or hassle needed. This means less distraction and more focus on the road ahead. Built to last, the adapter sports a premium metal casing combined with an acrylic glass surface that resists scratches and daily wear. Its compact, minimalist design fits snugly without cluttering your dashboard, blending perfectly with your car's interior. Even on rough or winding roads, the stable signal transmission keeps your connection smooth and uninterrupted. What sets this adapter apart is its strict compatibility and safety standards. It only works with factory-installed wired CarPlay systems, covering nearly all models on the market. Plus, it's FCC certified, ensuring no signal interference and safe operation. You can drive with confidence, knowing your connection is secure and reliable. To keep your experience seamless, the adapter receives free lifetime firmware updates. These updates enhance connection speed and fix any bugs, so your wireless CarPlay stays sharp and responsive over time. This ongoing support adds real value, saving you from future compatibility headaches. If you're looking to cut the cord and upgrade your in-car tech without replacing your entire system, this wireless CarPlay adapter is worth a look. It delivers what matters most: convenience, durability, and a stable connection that just works every time you hit the road. Before you buy, double-check your vehicle's compatibility to ensure it has a factory-installed wired CarPlay system. If the adapter doesn't fit your car, you're covered by a 1-year free return and exchange warranty, including a full refund option. This risk-free offer makes trying it out easy and worry-free. Ready to enjoy a clutter-free, smarter driving experience? The 2026 upgraded wireless CarPlay adapter makes wireless connectivity effortless and dependable. Try it when you're ready and experience how simple wireless CarPlay can transform your daily drives.